How to fry bologna. As with any recipe, there is risk of injury. Please seek adult supervision. What you'll need depends on the kind of bologna you have. If you're getting a lower fat bologna like what I have, which is 45% less fat, and it's only 5 grams of fat per slice of bologna, then you will also need oil. If you have a very high fat bologna, you may not need oil. Heat the oil up. I used olive oil. As the oil is heating on medium heat, take the rind off of the bologna. The rind is the red part that is around the bologna. Place the bologna in the oil and fry till one side bubbles up. Once it has bubbled up, flip it over and fry the other side. I like mine to be a golden brown. And once I push it down, I want it to pop back up. When I've done that, I know that it's done.